Hi, I'm Sandy Sandler, the creator of the Bowdabra Bow Maker. Today I'm going to show you how to make this super easy, spooky Halloween swag. So let's get started. I'm going to take my Bowdabra bow wire and I'm going to fold it. I have a habit of folding it in half just because I know how long I want it. I'll tell you this just so you have kind of an idea. I've got about 33 inches of the Bowdabra bow wire, and I'm just going to fold it in half, lay it into my Bowdabra, and just tuck the ends underneath. Then I have this 33 inch, it's a 2.5 inch wide wired ribbon, and I'm just going to put this in because it's going to make my tail. So we're just going to lay that going this way. And then I have this piece, which is 28 inches. And again, it's a wired ribbon, and I've already dovetailed the ends. We're just gonna lay that in. And then I'm gonna take another piece of our skull, which is the same, this is 25 inches, and I'm going to dovetail this. So just so you can see what I'm doing. And also, if you're watching this video, please share with your friends. I would really appreciate it. Because as you guys have heard me say before, you're my marketing department. So by sharing, it really helps out. So we're just going to fold that in half. And please also comment and let me know where you're watching us from. So now, again, I'll fold it in half, go to the center, and put that down. And then I have this piece of mesh, and normally I would try to clean up the ends of the mesh, but since this is a spooky Halloween, I like the idea of the ends being a little bit like not. So I've got about 21 inches, I think, of this. That's a 10-inch wide mesh. So we're just gonna lay that in here. And what I love with a Bowdabra, just in case you're not familiar, is we have springs underneath here. So that's how it automatically adjusts as I put more and more into it. And then I have this piece here, which is 38 inches by 10 inches. And I'm just going to make a loop here and fold it back. And just again, take the wrong side and put that down in here. And then we're just going to take the center and scrunch that. And I'm going to take my Bowdabra wand and give everything a really good push. So we're just going to push all that down. And the mesh, as anybody who works with mesh knows, it always wants to pop out. So now I have 84 inches of this 2-inch wide glitter ribbon. And I'm just going to start here. And I'm going to start with the wrong side up. I'm going to twist it. Oops, no, what am I doing? It's hard to see this ribbon. Okay, so we've got the right side up here, twist it, and that way the wrong side is on the inside of my loop. So I'm just going to fold that back and make these loops a little bit bigger and twist it and fold it back for here and twist and fold it. And I don't measure my loops because I figure you're making a hand-tied bow, so it doesn't really need to be measured. I'm just going to fold that back over here, and I'm just going to finish it with this loop here. And then I'm going to grab some more of my skeleton ribbon. I'm going to put the right side and scrunch that down in, fold it back over. And also, if you would comment in the comment section below and let me know what kind of projects you'd like to see me make, and we can do those either in the next video. Again, take the right side of the ribbon, put that down, fold it back over, and again the right side, and scrunch that in. And let me know what kinds of things you'd like me to make in the live or in our next video, pre-recorded videos. So, and just in case you're not aware, we do go live every Monday at 4 p.m. Pacific, 5 Mountain, 6 Central, and and 7 Eastern. So now I'm just kind of taking this at an angle, and I'm just scrunching. All I'm doing is just scrunching it into my Bowdabra. And then I have my witch's hands, and we're just going to lay those down in here, and take this one and lay this down in here. And then I have these two tails that we're just going to lay, one going this way and one going this way. And now you're going to see why I fold my wire in half and why I have so much wire, because I really need it to go around this big thick bow, because you can see how much stuff we put into this bow. It's just humongous. Also, I would love it if you guys could like this video and share it, and also comment below and follow us on Facebook, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. So now I'm just going to tie this off and tie a knot, and now I'm going to shape this out. So I'm going to put this tail going this way and this one going that way, and bring my loops in my bow and kind of shape these out, and bring the orange through here. So we have a whole bunch of really, really cool like colors, and we have the freaky Halloween, and this could be really pretty. Let's bring these here and bring this over here. This could be really pretty as a centerpiece, and perhaps put candles. Like you could put a candle here and a candle here, or you could hang it on your front door to welcome all of your Halloween visitors. All that's left is just hang it on your door, or use it as a centerpiece and put candles around it. Thank you so much for joining me, and please don't forget to follow us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel.